With all the purchases of second-hand vehicles, it's not always easy to have the best quality guaranteed. There might be a possibility of falling into traps of accidentally purchasing cars that have been reassembled, or even cars that needed lots of repairing. That exactly demonstrates the reason why we all need a thorough inspection or checkup on the vehicle prior to the purchase. In this video, we will be teaching you the things to be aware of when it comes to the purchasing of second-hand vehicles. Picking a suitable vehicle for yourself is the first essential step. Of course, this decision includes the consideration of the vehicle's brand, model, year, size, and many more. It's always best to browse more and compare these vehicles to find your best fit. After you have found your ideal vehicle, take some time to consider 3 more things before making your final decision. First of all, it is important that you inquire your insurance company whether your insurance will cover your ideal vehicle. Insurance companies do not always agree to issue policies. They will often take various factors into consideration, including the policyholder's age, occupation, the length of driving experience, along with the model and other characteristics of the vehicle. If the underwriting is not in your favor, you will not be able to become the car owner. The second step helps to protect your own benefits as a buyer. It is important that you request the car owner to present their vehicle registration document in order to identify whether they are the real owner of the vehicle. The exchange of the bank cashier order is necessary as it provides the name of the vehicle owner. Last but not least, the biggest rule of all times: check up first, deposit after. No deposits should be paid prior to the inspection of the vehicle, nor should any contracts be signed or agreed upon. If there were to be anything wrong with the vehicle after the deposit or the contract, it will already be too late. After the primary inspection is finished, the purchase can then be continued with. It is always advised to have another inspection done after the purchase to ensure that the vehicle remains in good condition. Then you could drive safely and happily. In fact, car inspections are not as troublesome as you think. You can have yours reserved by a simple phone call hotline or even through a WhatsApp message. The inspectors can arrange an appointment for you as quick as the next day. A final reminder for you today: the venue for inspection must be at a safe space which is suitable and appropriate for such inspections. For example, if you're having your vehicle checked in an indoor car park, the floor has to be firm and smooth. It is also essential to ensure the inspector has enough space on the bottom and sides of the vehicle. We are not funded by any dealerships, nor are we working with any garages. Our professionals will only provide their best honest opinion on the conditions of your vehicle to assist you to your best interest. HKMI is an independent, unbiased, and professional company, and we provide well-rounded and thorough inspection services for second-hand vehicles. That being said, we just want the best for you and your purchase for any vehicles.